Hello my friends, how are you? So I got the new Panzer IV by Miniart. Well, it's not new, it's pretty new though. I got a really good price for it. So I got this for 50 Australian dollars, and it's usually going for between 80 and $90. And it's only an exterior version. The usual exterior version, so you say this version and this version here, knocked off his little command thing. This is the command version. They're between $70 and $80. They come up really good. But why I think this one's more expensive is because it's got the extra top photo bit, etch bit here up the top, and extra $10. But I'll just take this off so I don't lose it. I'll re-glue it back on. But they come up really nice, really good. Even the just the exterior versions, really good quality Panzer IVs. These Miniart ones come up really good. So I've got a good collection of them now. I got that one, so I'm going to use that for the 1943-44, I think, or 43 Battle of Kharkov. And this one will be the Bulgarian one. I'm going to do one of the Sofia versions, the Battle of Sofia, one of these ones. And then you got the Hungarian ones. And that's one of the Bulgarian German versions when they were in the German army. But this is when they changed, so they still had the German armour, but they changed to the Soviet side and kicked Germany out of Bulgaria. And they didn't do that with Russian help, they did that themselves, but they did have Russian air support. And then when they got to Hungary, the fighting got to Hungary, then the Hungarians used these ones. It's an interesting kit, it's good. And I've also got this one here, which is the Vomag full interior one, and that goes for between 85, I've seen it for, and about 110. But I got these ones here, both of these here, for $50 each, and that's a really good buy for $50. That was for 40% off, so that was really good. So I just picked that up today, and you get to choose from 4 different variants. So you've got the Totenkopf one there, which is cool. And then you've got this really nasty cool one here, the Belarus one. And then right at the back you've got another one from the Eastern Front. And then just another one here from the Eastern Front in the summer. Nice little tank. Very easy to put together these into exterior only ones. So you've got some instruction corrections by the looks of it there. Looks like something went wrong with it, or they didn't put that information in, or whatever, I don't know, but it shows you what you get. And yeah, pretty straightforward build. You just, put the sides together like usual with Miniart. And of course there's lots of detail, like you get little photo etched chains, those little scratch build things you got to put in and stuff like that, you just do with wire. But there's a lot of detail in it. Getting it all together, and you build up, they see that superstructure. Usually in kits like Tamiya and all that, that's all, together, but you build that all up in Miniart. Because it's a full interior kit, not this one, but it is, they're just, haven't included the interior of it, that's all. And you put it together. It's really cool. Unlike Dragon, they haven't done any Zimmerit versions yet. Just generally the 1943 versions they're doing, and the same with the Stugs by the looks of it. Which is fine. 1943 was a really good time of the war. Lots was going on at that time. But yeah, and yeah, you get the 2 choices, so you can do the photo etch one, but they always put in the non-photo etch parts as well. You get the options. Yeah, putting it all the wheels on, everything like that. Really detailed. Then you got to put your shirts in on. And then you build the turret. That's the same kind of thing. You got to build that all up. See, build that all up. But they come out really good. Really, really nice. And I've got a metal barrel in this kit here. If we can open it. Hold on. See, I got this, oops, a daisy, this metal barrel here. It's got metal ammunition, so I'll have to use that, which is really good. And it's got a metal muzzle brake, so I'll have to use that on one of these tanks. Really cool, eh? That'll fit on any one of these Miniart ones. It's exactly the same as there. See, it's got the exact same thing there. And we've got heaps of this ammunition, just heaps of it. Have to start pulling some of that out and start painting it up, because that's really good. But yeah, this is a lot thicker, this box. A lot thicker, the full interior one. But yeah, really easy build. And then it's these are good, so that's really good. The top armor, anti-aircraft armor. So with this one, you just get that really cool detail sheet. It's not that, you know, great, but this one's heaps better. This one here, it's got all the ammunition on it and stuff like that. Ammunition things. So we get this big photo etch thing. As Miniart do these days, put their photo etch in those envelopes. And of course you get that big one there. You get your standard exterior only photo etch one, and then you get that extra armor piece, which is pretty thick for Miniart. That's what you're just paying the extra $10 for, I reckon. And then you can see all the bits are in parts, but highly detailed. Really nice and clean. And they've changed the plastic as well. It's a lot firmer these days. Much better plastic. But you get all the interior detail and everything. I'm really impressed with these, that's why I got a lot of them, I suppose. And you see that metal one, exactly the same. Got that little groove at the back there. Oh, it's a little different. Maybe this is a slightly different build, but I remember the other ones had the exact same thing. You get a whole bunch of tracks, so these ones are the ones that you pin, and they look like a 1943 Panzer IV track. You get your tools without any clips, so this is all stuff you can build yourself with photo etch. More weird stuff. Oh yeah, that's part of the cannon. They're really nice, I like those. The fenders. That's the underside. The top side. Then we get more, that's the back plate, that's a part of the shirts and some of the gun parts. But you see with Miniart, nothing's on a big sprue, they're just all these little sprues. okay. Nothing wrong with it. It's good. Oh, sorry. Got some wheels here. So they look alright, don't they? You drive sprockets. That'll do the job. Got some more wheels. Some more wheels. Oh, we got an MG there. Their MGs look good. You see, you put the top part on there so you can have it open or close. Same with Dragon these days. And that's got its proper barrel on, so it's got the heavy machine gun barrel, not the light machine gun barrel, which is good. Another one of these. Very nice. Let me show you. So this is the bottom, which is really good. You see, you got to put all this part on yourself, which is usually molded on. A lot of the shirts and parts, top of the turret. And in the, see, it's got the interior detail. And then you've got the actual sides there. They're the interior sides, or the exterior, sorry. And over the top goes the wheel brace. But with these ones, they actually mold on, which is funny because no other kit does this. But they mold these hooks on, but every other company doesn't mold them on. I always found that funny with this Miniart kit. That's the interior part, so you see that you can build the full interior version. You got some idlers, so you get a good selection of them. They got writing detail on them. Got some mufflers and some bits, like they're good. I like those, nice looking. They got writing on them. They're nice. And yeah, you get a few other things. So this is here for the base. That's for the base parts. And then you got your tools that have clips on them already molded on if you don't want to do the photo etch. That's about it. Oh, and you got the front plates with interior detail. So it's pretty good. It's well worth it. And yeah, I'll put that all back in that box. There, so it looks like a big pile of mess. But yeah, that's Miniart. There's just so much stuff with these kits. It's always crazy. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Getting some good deals. But now I've got 3 more Panzer IV kits from Miniart, which is really good. And I've got one that's already built. So yeah, but it is my favourite tank, so may as well. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.